mucho money for the mucho tire. And what's your name?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir?
Yes, sir. It's an Eden day.
Right on. That's gonna look good. So, looking for tires. I went online. There's a couple places. We're at the Tire Squad here in Santa Clara. I went to another place down the street. Basically, I'm looking for the cheapest tire. Something a little aggressive, not so much highway, but a little more off-road, but all-terrain. And looking online, you find some good prices, but then you add tax. And then also, once you get those, if you go by mail or Walmart, it takes like up to 5 days. Let's say you get the cheap ones, they're mailed to you. You still got to have them mounted and balanced. And then I'm also getting a front end alignment. As you saw, the tires are worn. They were worn on the outside. I flipped them, I rotate them, I got the most mileage I could out of them. You'll see them in a minute. What was your name?
Sunny.
Sunny? Everybody, this is Sunny.
Oh, you man.
Oh shit.
You
Yeah, you gotta be. Show the muscles. Show the muscles.
No, but
Yeah.
I'm still okay. Work all day.
Yeah, I know. This is another tire rack down the street, but see, it mostly not as rugged. It looks more like a highway tire. It would be a great tire and cheaper, but so you got to look at the tire and make sure that you get something that you're going to like the look of. Also, there are tires that you can get maybe a little bit bigger or a little bit wider size. You're not committed to maybe the size that are on there right now.
Our famous guy, Sunny.
That's no bueno, huh?
That was gone, man.
That's garbage. Oh, be careful. Don't scratch it. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say hi. All the babies. How long do you work here?
Maybe 3, 4 years.
How about that guy?
Oh. Honey.
How many of you work here? 2.5?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Those are beautiful.
It's clean for
Mucho macho. Mucho macho.
este ya está ready, yeah.
Hi. So these tires. Hey, so this it's called right here, mud terrain, but
Yeah.
this means mud and snow, right? That's professional. You go slow first, make sure the threads are good, huh?
Really started.
Hey, Sonny, hit this guy 2 at a time. What happened? 2 at a time. You only one. What happened? Oh, this guy's strong. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
¿Muy bien?
Which are better? Oh shit, dude. You better be careful, man.
Go, okay? Go, go. Go,
Yeah,
go.
it should be fine.
Go, go, go. Good. ¿Tienes un callo ahora?
So these guys, not only are they honest and reliable, not too expensive, but they hooked it all up. And they told me that the alignment is good. So they didn't have to mess with it, and they told me that. So that's very, very honest. A lot of people wouldn't do that. This part looks a little aggressive. It's gonna be a little bit to get used to. I like this a lot. Mud and snow, no problem. We'll see if it makes some noise on the highway though, but I don't care. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. And now some clips of our next show and possibly some bloopers. And don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. God bless. Great news, finally. I've had this actually a week. I had the 3500. Before we get into this, I want to show you where it's going to go. By the way, the full truck build is on another video, fully customizable. Right here was the 3500. I love that. That's the Predator 5000. I already did a box opening. I haven't posted it yet. I'm still trying it out. There's some things I like and don't like about it. But right now, I need to unbox this. We're here in Yosemite, and I have the generator running. I just got here late last night. I want to charge this and hopefully not have to have the generator running tonight and have my Starlink and all my cameras working tonight while I'm sleeping. So, here we go. Nothing like a little campfire to end the day. bag of popcorn.